too bad. We're plugging away. Hi, Tim.
Grace comes to our building 6 days.
Your staff.
And this is Primo.
Hi, nice to see you. How are you?
Well, I don't. You're not the familiar.
And the biggest asset that we have in Massachusetts are our people. You, people who've built their lives and raised families and contributed to our cities and towns so importantly. You know, people in this room have made our communities and made our country. And what we've experienced over the last year and a half is not unlike what we've had previous times in our history. My dad is a retired history teacher, so I grew up reading histories, but one of my favorites was Harry Truman. And Harry Truman once said that the only thing that's new in this world is the history that you don't know. And certainly people in this room, you know, you and your families experienced the Great Depression. And when Governor Patrick and I ran in 2006, well, little did we know that we'd be governing in the worst economic downturn since the Great Depression. But the lessons that brought this state and this country through are lessons that we need to remember and apply today, and I like to think that Governor Patrick and I have. That is, when times get tough, you try to make sure that people are protected, that they have at least a minimum to protect themselves and their families, that you want to put people to work, and the best way to put people to work is fixing our roads and bridges and public works projects, and we're doing that. And the good news is Massachusetts is leading the country out of this recession. Because we've worked together, we've invested in our people and in every region of the state.
We all know this group votes.
Yeah.
So we want to get out and support our friend Tim Murray. Yeah. So that's for sure, all right? That's what we need.
Tim Murray is very accessible. Tim does not seem to me anyways to be like a typical politician. He's someone that could be your next door neighbor. He's sincere. Tim I find him to be very approachable and sincere.
I also have my brother here as a resident, and he shows this is the place that I want my brother to be, and we want somebody like him, like Tim Murray, to help us out as far as support the program.
Tim is just so accessible. He's in our state, he's in the community, he's a great supporter for seniors. When we've had a question or a concern that affects seniors or our families, he's someone we can always turn to. He's been there for us in the past. We've known him and worked with him for years, and we just can't be happier with Tim and all he's done for seniors in Massachusetts.